Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a super nice 2004 Sundowner Hacienda 8010 Sierra. So this is an 8 wide, 10 foot short wall. It is 7 tall. It is in excellent shape. I actually sold this trailer a couple of years ago, and the client has sent it back to me to sell again, and she did a lot of work to this trailer. More decor and things like that. She put a worm floor in the back, and this trailer is in excellent shape. So, a couple of things about it. It is 8 wide, as I said. It has a stainless nose. It's aluminum with a steel frame. It does have an electric jack, 2 propane tanks, lockable battery box. I'm on the wrong side of the trailer, so I'm gonna switch myself around to do the other side first. So white in color, it does have the Sundowner graphics. So forgive me, I'm gonna kind of switch sides. All right. So coming down this side, it does have huge, big drop windows with bars. It has an escape door. It does have 2 manger doors, and that whole section is storage. Now the one thing about these older Sundowners is they had storage, and their stalls are huge. Has mangers, and then obviously the storage underneath. This trailer doesn't have any big dents or anything that I need to point out. It's in excellent shape. It does have a hay rack and ladder. So escape door, drop down windows with bars. And the horse box is huge in here. I mean, it's a really nice trailer, guys. This trailer has been completely gone through. When they put the worm flooring in, they redid the entire floor in there. So it's in tip-top shape. It does have a rear ramp. It does have a collapsible rear tack. It does have a swing out saddle rack, blanket bar, brush box, bridle hooks. All right, that swing out saddle rack does swing out. All right, stepping up in the horse box, it does have the poured in worm floor. It's done professionally. And again, this trailer was gone through professionally when she had that done. I think it's been 2 years ago now. So the cool thing is about these, it's huge in here. If you have big horses, these are big stalls. It's very big and open in this horse box. The cool thing is this has a full divider. So it has a full divider for that first stall. One other thing I really liked about Sundowners back then, they made nice trailers. This trailer is solid. It will last. It's in great shape. Sliders on the rear. All the padding is good in this trailer. Telescopic glass divider. Roof vents above each horse. Like I said, this trailer is in immaculate shape. Okay. So hay rack and ladder. It is a 4-horse. You know what, guys? I never even said that. So this isn't a 4-horse. It's an 8010 4-horse 2004 Sundowner. So sorry about that. This is a 4-horse. Don't see a lot of 4-horse trailers. So here's one. Great size, 10-foot short wall. So not too long, not too big. Has a slide out step here at the LQ door. Does have propane access here, that you can have propane here for a grill. Does have 2 sets of 110 outlets on the outside. Like I said, Sundowner did great options on their trailers back then. As you can see, my sticker here, sold it when I was in Colfax. So stepping up in the LQ, she's done a great job. She's recovered everything in here, all the valances, the dinette cushions. It looks really great. So big fridge, dinette makes a bed, cabinets above, cabinets all up along the nose. That's another thing about Sundowner. They did a ton of storage back then. It has the extra lighting strip there above. So spinning around. Super nice trailer, guys. I can't really fault it for anything. Rear kitchen, double sink, microwave. Again, big fridge. Spinning around, it does have AC propane furnace. Has a nice closet here, hanging space. All the books are still here. It has a hide screen door. Two-burner stove. It's got the nice curtains for privacy. You can see the actual lights underneath the steps as well. Sundowner did a lot of that ambiance lighting back then. It's pretty popular. Cabinets below. Bathroom's a decent size. It's got the corner shower. I'll pull that shower curtain back. Sink and vanity. Whoops, I don't have that light on. There you go. Took my pictures without lights in here, but it was so bright. It's got a nice skylight in here. This trailer is very bright. Some of your older trailers aren't as bright. They're kind of dark. The lighting's not as good. This one's got great lighting. So there's your corner shower. Walk-through door with mirror. Pocket bathroom door. 10-foot short wall. Super nice trailer, guys. I believe that's going to make it a 28-foot box. Don't hold me to it. I'll put that in the ad. All right, stepping out, an 8010 Hacienda Sierra Series 4-horse Sundowner 2004. Excellent shape. Nice trailer, guys. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500.